ROKU stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very, very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Roku Incorporated, as we're sitting at $81, I'm very, very open-minded to taking things further up and buying. Now, especially with this, the only thing that I'm waiting for is a double break confirmation. Having made so many receipts, I mean, I have 2 results in the Discord and 44,000 videos later over 5 years experience, seeing what's working for me and what's not. And especially just looking at Roku, it's not going to be an immediate thing that I'm going to just randomly look to buy. Most of the tickers on the watch list have been in this correction phase, which honestly I love it, you know, because it seems if the rules are met, there's going to be a lot of action. And whilst there's a lot of action, there could be a lot of losses if you don't know what you're doing, right? But if my rules are not met, I'm not moving forward. And all I'm sticking to, by the way, this is not financial advice, is I'm using my edge that I've refined over 5 years. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.